And what is that?
We posted part 1 of us opening the mystery grab bags that we got on vacation in Wisconsin this last week. We are here to share with you part 2 of us opening the end of our mystery grab bags. If you haven't watched the first video, I suggest that you go back and watch it.
Got another book. Let's see here. This time I got Never See Them Again by M. William Phillips. Star of Investigation Discovery Dark Minds. I don't know. I'm going to get some reminders about taking my pills. I guess I'm ancient now. I need that. Let's see here. Ho, ho, ho! We got a little Santa going on here. And what is that? Okay, that's got to be 2 different things, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Alright, we got this, which, you know, happy birthday, I guess. Oh, hey, shout out to my brother and sister. They just had a birthday, so I guess there we go. We should have got them this one. They would have totally won with this one.
I think you put a balloon with it.
Whatever. It should have been a balloon in here. The helium would have been worth the money then. Alright, we got one more thing down in here. Nope, 2 more things. I got a giant black plastic cup. Also really good. The happy birthday thing was down in it, so I was like, what the heck? And then I got suction cup hook. Yeah, buddy. And those suction cups look real clean and sterile. I mean, it was a thrift store, so what do you expect? But still, kind of sketchy. Just reveal the whole mystery, I guess.
I got a glass jar without a lid.
What are those jars usually called? Do you know?
No.
Mason jars.
Mason jar.
It says
Although, I don't know why someone would use it without a lid. I got a baby bottle.
There you go. Nothing like a dirty baby bottle.
I'm not sure why we need that. I got a straw. I got whatever this is.
A scarf.
It's a scarf.
Yeah. I got a picture from that says, "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." I got a plastic bowl.
No,
that's not
wicker.
Plastic. That's wicker.
I got a wicker bowl.
There you go.
I got a cookie cutter.
Circle shaped.
Yeah.
Biscuits.
And I got a bottle that apparently the straw goes with.
You got a what?
Bottle.
Water bottle.
A water bottle.
I'm guessing I got a book.
Yeah, they're pretty heavy.
No, a paperback.
Oh, a paperback. That tricked me. I pulled the thing because I thought it was heavy and it ended up being just a big book. Makes me sad.
I guess it's on the magazine.
You got a magazine.
Today's creative home arts. So apparently I'm supposed to get creative.
2004. This is near vintage.
Pellet Talk.
Huh. 1981. This one is vintage. Holy cow.
I got 6. It says there's 16 in here. Whether there really is. It's little snowflake bags.
There you go. Kind
It
of looks like they've been used.
Yeah, they've been used. Green glass plate.
There you go.
Some red and green stretch the tie, excellent for decoration use. Red, kind of a greenish.
Get ties. That's kind of cool. At least it doesn't look half new.
I got a CD. Relax
CD.
and restore your mind and body.
There you go.
So apparently I need to relax and read. And I got one more thing in here. 16 hanging egg decorations. They're 3D.
At least it isn't used.
Nope, this one's not used. It looks brand new at least.
Oh, are those they fold out into egg
they're
shapes.
3D.
Ah, cool.
So there might be one or two keepable things.
Now, these bags were really cheap, and we much figured that they were probably full of trash, and they are. But it's still pretty fun to look through them.
Yeah.
It was. And we did this once with our family while we were up there visiting them as well. And everyone got a kick out of it.
Yeah, we all got a kick out of it. Actually, I think I ended up pulling the best item with a Michael Jackson CD. And so that was kind of cool. And so this is our final installment of the mystery bags. Like we said, if you haven't watched the first one, go back to that video. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.